Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a landscaping website using Wix or how to make a lawn care website for free. The first thing you will need to do is go onto Wix.com. Once on Wix.com, you can sign up using your email address. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. Once you're signed up, you will be redirected to a page like this, and I want you to tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page, and we are going to tap on Set Up Without AI. After selecting Setup Without AI, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, all you will need to do on the dashboard or on the search bar, better yet, you're going to be typing in landscaping. So let's do that real quick. And you can see landscape gardener, landscaping company, landscape architecture or firm, and you can see there are numerous options that you can choose from. Landscape photographer, and so on. The list goes on and on. But we will be selecting, for example sake, lawn care company, and we're going to be tapping on next. After you have done that, you're going to be redirected to your dashboard. Once on the dashboard, I will be showing you what to do next. On the dashboard, you're first going to enter your business name. So you can enter your business name right here. So let's say, for example, Teslawn. Then you can enter your business address. Then you'll tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. After you have done that, you can set up your business hours. So let's say, for example, my business is open from Monday to Friday. You can select that. Then you can also select the opening hours. So for example, our business will be open from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. So we will select that right here. After you have done that, you're going to tap on next. Then from here, you can see some typical services that are offered by lawn care companies. So you can see weed control, small yard lawn mowing. You can select all of the services that your company will be offering. So you can select them right there. And if you see a service, or better yet, don't see a service that you would like to offer, you can tap on Create New Service. Then you could enter in the service name and so on. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on next. Then from here, you can enter your staff member's name and email address. Then tap on next once more. And then if you're going to be accepting payments online, you can tap on accept online payments. And we're going to be accepting payments in person. Then you can also tap on next right here. Then tap on continue to dashboard. Once you have selected continue to dashboard, I will show you how to set up the different payment options that you can offer your customers. And so we're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and the first thing you will see is booking services. You can tap on that, and from there you will see all of the services that you had selected earlier or that you had created. So you can see them here. And if you would like to create a new service, you could tap on add a new service in the top right hand corner, and you can scroll down and you can see the specific services right there. If you would like to change the price for a service, all you have to do is tap on edit in line with the service name. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page, and all you'll need to do from here is simply scroll down. So you can scroll down and you can change the price right here. So let's say, for example, we would like to change the price to $8. You can do that. You can also choose whether it is a fixed price or it depends on the condition of the lawn or so on. Then you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. And also you can see booking calendar. This is where you'll be able to see all of the bookings that you have for a particular period of time. And by scrolling down, I want you to tap on billing and payments, and you're going to select payments. After doing this, you'll be able to set up the different payment options that you can offer your clients. But keep in mind, to accept payments on Wix, you'll need to go onto one of their paid plans. So we can tap on manage payment methods right here. After you have tapped on manage payment methods, depending on the country you're in, you will see different payment methods that you can offer. For example, I'm in Jamaica right now, so you can see I will be able to offer TiloPay and PayPal. So all I would need to do is connect my PayPal account right here. But if I would like to offer more payment options, I could simply change the location of the website. So I could tap on change. Then let's say, for example, I were to type in United States and select that as the location for my website. I could tap on choose, and you can now see that I'm provided with more payment methods. So I can now accept credit and debit cards with Wix payment. And if I want to add even more payment options, I could tap on see more payment options in the bottom left hand corner, and I could offer AAA, Afterpay, Affirm, and numerous other payment options, as you can see right here, Klarna, and so on. So that is how you'll be able to offer more payment options. Once you're finished setting up the payment options, you can go over to the left hand menu option once more, and you're going to tap on setup. After selecting setup, I want you to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on pick a template. After selecting pick a template, from here you can see numerous beautiful templates that you can choose from. So you can simply scroll down and select a template of your liking. Once you have found one that you like, you'll tap on edit. Then give it a few seconds while the AI composes your website in the background. Once on this page, you have a few options. You could tap in the box right here, and you could type in some information that you would like the Wix AI to compose an article on. Then you could tap on generate site text. But for now, we'll simply tap on the X. Then you're going to tap on the 50% in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, this is how your website looks at the moment. So you can simply scroll down and you can see how it looks. So you have the name in the top left hand corner. To change the name or to edit any section on your website is quite easy. All you'll need to do is hover over the particular section that you like to edit. So let's say, for example, I would like to change the name. I could simply tap right where I see the name. Then from there, you could tap on edit text. After you have selected edit text, you will see a pop-up box, and from there you can change the font style, you can change the text, and so on, as you can see right here. So let's say, for example, I were to tap on edit text right there. You can see right there, if I wanted to change the font style, I could do that. And also, if you would like to edit anything in the header section, all you will need to do is simply hover over the section, then tap on quick edit, and you are going to see a pop-up window appear on the right hand column. And from there you can change the header color. You can also change the text, as you can see right there. And you can do this with each section on your Wix website. So let's say you would like to edit this section. You can simply hover over it with your mouse, then tap on quick edit, and from here you can change the site background. So let's say, for example, I would like to change this image. All I would need to do is simply tap on change. Then from there I could tap on image. After selecting image, you're going to see a pop-up window, and you can choose to upload something from your device, or you could tap on the search bar, and from there you can type in landscape for example's sake, and then you'll be provided with numerous copyright-free images from Wix that you can use. So you can see right here, and if you don't see anything that you like, let's type in landscaping instead and see what they recommend. After typing in landscaping, you can see the different images that they recommend right here. So let's say, for example, I would like to use this one. could simply tap on it, then select change background. After you have selected change background, you can see that the image background has now changed, as you can see right here. And if you would like to change this image, you can also do that, as you can see right there. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap on the X. From there, you can continue scrolling down and making changes. Now we'll go over to the top left hand corner, and right where you see home, you're going to tap right there, and you'll see all of the pages that are currently on your website. So for example, if you would like to go onto the service page, you can simply tap on the service page from the drop down menu option, and you're going to be redirected to the service page, as you can see right here. And again, you can tap on quick edit to edit the service page. And if it is a case that you would like to add or remove a page, and you will simply select that, then you'll tap on manage pages from the bottom of the drop down menu option. After you have selected manage pages, you can see all of the pages that are currently on your website. If it is a case that you would like to delete or hide a page, you can simply tap on the three dots in line with the page name. Once you have tapped on the three dots, you can select settings and you can edit the page, or you could simply tap on site menu right here. So let's do that real quick. We'll tap on site menu here. After you have tapped on site menu, you can tap on add to add a new page, as you can see right here, or you could tap right here on add page to add a new page also. And to add different features, you can tap on the plus in the top left hand corner that says add elements. Then you can add text if you want, images, video, all that you would like to add to your website, you can do that. Once you're finished composing your website and it is to your liking, all you need to do now is tap on save to save the changes. Then we could tap on preview to preview how it looks. And if it is to your liking, you will then tap on publish in the top right hand corner for your website to go live. So you can see it right here. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.